It's that time again. I'm paying 3 editors on Fiverr to edit the same short tutorial for me. Now, at the end of this video, I'm gonna post these videos to different Instagram accounts to see which one will go viral. So I basically told them all the same thing. I gave them a folder with a script included, so if they decide to use captions, they should be spot on. And I gave them a recording of me explaining the tutorial and a screen recording. I asked them to make the tutorial around 30 seconds. It has to be vertical and the instructions must be clear. Now, besides all that, they've got full creative freedom. Let's start with the first editor, Syed Hasan. Let's play. Alright, did you know that this animation is actually super simple to create in Premiere Pro? All you gotta do is line up your icons in the timeline. Okay, it looks really good already, but the only issue I have is that the captions are in the dead zone of the video. That zone means that your Instagram or TikTok name and profile will be in front of the captions, so you can't actually read them. Simple to create in Premiere Pro. All you gotta do is line up your icons in the timeline. Make sure they're positioned in the middle of the frame. Next, find the basic 3D effect in the effects browser and drag it on the first clip. Alright, everything is clear and easy to follow along with. Really good. I did notice, however, that you keep zooming in and out randomly. And it looks great, but I don't really get why you're doing this. So for me, it's a little bit distracting. The effect and copy the animation, then head back to the timeline. In here, select the other clips and hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the effect. Okay, overall it was easy to follow along. It did look a bit messy because of the zooming in and out, but I wonder, was this video worth $50? Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, now it's time for editor number 2, Abdul Saban. Okay, $50, let's go. Alright, did you know that this animation... I love the text animations, really grabs the attention. Awesome. Actually super simple to create in Premiere Pro. All you gotta do is line up your icons in the timeline. However, the music is not good. It sounds like a melody you hear on your phone when someone puts you on hold or something. Anyway, let's continue. Sure they're positioned in the middle of the frame. Next, find the basic 3D effect in the... Love the sound effects, love the highlights. It really tells the people where to look. Really good. Effects browser and drag it on the first clip. Now, in the effect controls, make a swivel animation like this. That way the logo will spin out of nowhere and it will disappear again. Now right-click the effect and copy the animation, then head back to the timeline. Alright, also just like Hasan, the captions are in the dead zone, so pay attention to that. Here, select the other clips and hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the effect. Okay, I love the fact that you show the animation at the end without hearing my voice. It's really cool. Overall, Abdul, again, super easy to follow along. Screen recording could have used a little more cropping and scaling, but hey, for $55, this is a great result. Again, let me know your thoughts down below. Oh, and by the way, I want to say thank you to Fiverr for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for talented editors to help bring your projects to life, check out Fiverr. It's the perfect platform to find skilled professionals for any creative task. Alright, let's continue. Editor number 3, Rachid, $150. Let's play. Did you know that this animation is actually super simple to create in Premiere Pro? Okay, that already feels high quality. Really nice. The captions look really cool and the logo animation at the bottom is awesome as well. Also, really love the transition you did right here with the Premiere logo. I do that all the time in my videos as well. All you gotta do is line up your icons in the timeline. Make sure they're positioned in the middle of the frame. Next, find the basic 3D effect in the effects browser and drag it on the first clip. Now, in the effect controls, make a swivel animation like this. That way the logo will spin out of nowhere and it will... Okay, he definitely put in a lot of work. This looks amazing. It's super easy to find your way in Premiere by watching this video. The only downside is that the panels in Premiere look a bit small sometimes, and that makes it hard to see, so I would have zoomed in a little bit more. Copy the animation, then head back to other clips and hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the effect. Alright. Oh, he made a loop out of the video. Rachid, really good job. I'm happy with the video. $150. You guys decide, was this worth the money? Alright, so now it's time to post the videos to different Instagram accounts. So I'm gonna do that and I'll see you guys back in an hour. Alright, let's see if any of them went viral already. Hasan's video got 54 views right now. That's not amazing, but it has only been 1 hour. Abdul's video has 124 views. And here it comes, my favorite one, Rachid's video. This one also has 124 views. Well, I guess we're gonna have to wait a few days, so keep an eye on the community tab on this channel. I will update you guys once one of them goes viral. Now, I also paid 3 editors to edit a YouTube channel trailer for me, so if you want to check that out, click the video on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.